For the past 3 decades, many economies in Africa have been growing at an impressive rate. Part of this is owing to the investment in its industrial sector and rapid infrastructure development. At this year's G20 Summit, China's efforts in Africa were highly recognized for helping create better standards of living as well as providing employment through its projects across the continent.
I think China's investment is very important for Africa's growth. And I know the cooperation we have between China and Africa, which is focused on industrialization. And if I take Ethiopia as an example, industrialization, especially in the manufacturing sector like textile, leather, and food processing, and so on. So this is very important. And this is coming with the opportunity that China opened up. With the 80 million jobs expected to migrate, this is the Go Global program of China. So I think this will help Africa benefit, especially in terms of industrialization. And industrialization is, I think, key for Africa.
China's contribution, especially through the Belt and Road Initiative, was also lauded. This is after an MOU was signed between the WHO and China last year, which is expected to have positive effects on global health.
The investment on rail, construction of roads, and also energy is very important. Because if you have a manufacturing industry growing, then that's coupled with infrastructure like roads, rail, and energy, then makes your economy more competitive. So that's also very important investment in boosting growth. So this means employment opportunities. And employment opportunities means then that will have impact in health.
The WHO chief also called for inclusive growth, which plays a role in safeguarding regional peace and stability.
So inclusive growth is very important, be it at country level, regional or global level. Otherwise, when some people are gaining and others are not and living in poverty, it will even be very difficult to live in peace.
In December of 2015, Chinese President Xi Jinping ushered in a new era of real win-win cooperation between China and Africa. This has the aim of creating mutual prosperity through a $60 billion commitment in new investment in major capital projects aimed at developing local economic capacities. Mirungu, CGTN.